Today, I'll show you how to add a CIBC credit card to online banking. Whether you're new to CIBC or just need to link your credit card to your existing online banking account, this guide will help you through the process step by step. To get started, you'll first need to access the CIBC registration page. You can do this by visiting their website or by opening the CIBC mobile banking app on your device. If you're new to CIBC online banking, you'll want to look for and select the Register option. This will initiate the setup process, allowing you to create your online banking profile. Once you've selected Register, the next step is to enter your CIBC credit card number. This is a crucial step because it's how you'll either create a new online banking profile or link your credit card to an existing one. Make sure to double-check the number you enter to avoid any errors. After entering your credit card number, you'll be guided through a series of on-screen instructions to verify your identity. This may include answering security questions or entering a verification code sent to your phone or email. It's important to follow these instructions carefully to ensure a smooth registration process. Next, you'll need to create a secure username and password for your online banking account. Choose a username and password that are not only memorable, but also secure. Consider using a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. This will protect your account against unauthorized access. Once you complete the registration process, your credit card will automatically be linked to your newly created online banking account. This means you'll be able to view your credit card details such as balances, transactions, and statements right from your online banking dashboard. If you're already a CIBC online banking user, simply sign in to your account. Your CIBC credit card should appear in your account list automatically. However, if it doesn't, you may need to add it manually. To do this, look for an option within your profile that says Add Account or Link Account. Follow the prompts to link your credit card, ensuring you enter any required information accurately. After linking your credit card, you'll have access to all its details anytime, anywhere. You can easily monitor your spending, check your balances, and review your statements directly through the online banking platform. And there you have it, that's how to add a CIBC credit card to online banking. With this setup, managing your credit card online is convenient and efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.